Okay, so I know this week or last week we started fluency and we started reading fluency. Miss King has got you guys going. So what we wanted to add to that was a fluency chart. And if you've done fluency in school, you know that a lot of the times you chart your progress. You do a cold and a warm timing and you put it in a chart. And those charts are nice to see because they usually will show you growth on your cold timings. I've had kids go before at the beginning. I always usually do this at the beginning of the year, but they'll start with maybe reading 50 words per minute cold the first time you ever read it. And then when they do a cold timing, like maybe in April, they've probably gone up to about 100 words a minute. So the reason why fluency is so good is it'll help you grow with how well you do read and helps you learn new words. Fluency is just really beneficial all the way around. And so I'm excited that we're starting it. So every week when you do a cold timing and then a warm timing, you're going to time yourself. And then I just want you to write down how many words per minute you read. And then you're going to come over here to the module page. Okay. And then this is going to be at the top every time. Like we're not going to get rid of this fluency page. And you're going to click on, well, first of all, you want to click here and that'll get you to this video. But then after that, when you're ready to click on the fluency chart to open it. So it pulls it up. And this way, if we keep it here, it's going to create a copy of this chart for everybody. And it's sort of just saved right there. Okay. So you're going to open up the fluency chart by clicking the link. And if you look, I have already put an example in here of what this should look like. Okay, so the chart goes from 230 words per minute down to 50 words per minute. Okay, and I have multiple copies of it, so you have plenty to choose to be able to go to with the weeks. And if we need to add more, I will. So let's say that it's a Monday and you have done your cold timing. Okay. Well, you want to, and I'm just going to come over here and type. So let's say that you read something about leaves. Okay. And it is, okay. So I'm going to put the date in. And I'm going to go on and write it in the warm timing as well, just so it's here. And if there's not enough room for the whole word, it's okay. The main thing is to make sure you put the date. Okay, that's the most important. So let's say for my cold timing on Monday, I read 97 words. All right. I'm going to take my cursor and I'm going to click the mouse. I'm going to click the left button and I'm going to highlight up to 90. Then you want to come up here to where it's the background color and you want to pick a shade of blue. I don't care what blue you pick, but it just has to be blue because it's the cold timing. Okay, and then that will put it here. So let's say on this one you did 91, and then this one maybe is 93. So I want you to type in the actual words per minute on your chart. Okay, and then let's just speed up and say that Friday you read, and maybe you read 130 words. Okay, again, you're going to click the box, hold down the left cursor and highlight to 130, and then come up here to the background color and switch it to red. Now, you want to go on and put, let's say you read 130 minutes or words per minute, and then this should already be filled in, but I forgot. So you want to make sure that you're putting in the actual words per minute as well as charting it. What happens if you read all the way up here? Let's say that you got 250, then you're just going to put 250. Okay, just color it all the way till it'll go, and then just type in whatever it is. So after you do that and you filled out your chart, come back over to Canvas and you can see that it's updated. Then you're going to click the submit button right here. All right, and click that. And then that's going to save that copy for you until the next time you open it up and you'll get to add to it. So you will submit it, but you're not going to have a grade on it each week. We might take this for a grade 1 week, but for the most, we're not going to grade it. We're only going to have you submit it, so it'll make an individual copy of this chart, and it'll sort of be housed in Canvas and easy for you to get to. So once you submit it, you can back out and you are good to go. If you have any questions about this or don't understand, just reach out to me and I will be glad to walk you through it. But usually you won't do these unless it's Monday through Friday. And we may add to this, like when you do your multiplication chart, like how I've always said to keep a time on how long it's taking you, we might start charting our multiplication time in this chart as well. I might just call this data chart. I know that when I'm actually in the classroom, my kids have a packet of charts and we keep data on everything. Math fluency, reading fluency, multiplication chart, your benchmarks. Like we do keep a lot of data because I think it's important for you to see your progress and to know where you stand with your progress, to know what, if you're working on a multiplication chart, how long did it take me to do it in September versus May? It's good for you to know those things because this is your education and you're the one that should be, in control of it. But anyway, let me know if you have any questions. And if not, I will talk to you later. Bye.